Painting is poetry that is seen rather than felt, and poetry is a painting that is felt rather than seen. A painter should begin every canvas with a wash of black, because all things in nature are dark except where exposed by light. Once you have tasted flight, you will forever walk the earth between your eyes turned skyward, for there you have been, and there you will always long to return. Study without desire spoils the memory, and it retains nothing that it takes in. It had long since come to my attention that people of accomplishment rarely sat back and let things happen to them. They went out and happened to things. Nothing strengthens authority so much as silence. One can have no smaller or greater mastery than the mastery of oneself. I have from an early age abjured the use of meat, and the time will come when men such as I will look upon the murder of animals as they now look upon the murder of men. Nothing can be loved or hated unless it is first understood. Art is never finished, only abandoned. As a well-spent day brings happy sleep, so life well used brings happy death. The greatest deception men suffer is from their own opinions. There are three classes of people: those who see when they are shown, those who do not see. I have been impressed with the urgency of doing. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Being willing is not enough, we must do. The function of muscle is to pull and not to push, except in the case of genitals and the tongue. As you cannot do what you want what you can do. Make your work to be in keeping with your purpose. Intellectual passion drives out sensuality. All our knowledge has its origin in our perceptions. Learn how to see, realize that everything connects to everything else. A poet knows he has achieved perfection, not when there is nothing left to add, but when there is nothing left to take away. Learning is the only thing the mind never exhausts, never fears, and never regrets. He who possesses most must be most afraid of loss. Obstacles cannot crush me. Every obstacle yields to stern resolve. Why does the eye see more clearly when asleep than the imagination when awake?